Hi guys, today we're going to talk to you about how to operate the Trisco R-510. You will find the user manual on the box over here, and once you open the box you will find our battery tester over here. So this battery analyzer tests 12-volt batteries and lead calcium batteries. So this product is very simple to use. Just use the clamps. There's a red side and a black side clamp. So the red side clamp goes on the positive and the black side clamp goes on the negative. Once you have it plugged in, clamped on, you can tell right away that the meter already changed from 0 to 12. For more information, you can check out our Trisco website at trisco.com.